today with all this equipment, what we're going to do with the new wash mitt, new hose, and all that stuff, we're going to try my new version 4. Version 4. Looks nice, right? Very cool. Version 4 on the way. And just so you guys know, I do have a version 5, 32 milliliter, or 32 ounce bottle, I should say. And we're not going to try it because chemically it's the same. But what we're going to do is we're going to try, I wanted to kind of compare the smells and the dye. This one is a little bit more on the greener side. And supposedly the smell changed the color of it a little bit. So it's got a little bit more of a green tinge to it. So I'm liking the other one because it's a little bit more blue. This is kind of like seawater. Not bad though. I mean, it's nice, but I'm not liking the smell as much. I think version 4 smells better, definitely. And just so you can see what it looks like diluted, this is kind of what I was looking for. So this is diluted, right? This is 2 ounces of that soap in 900 milliliters of water. Not bad, right? Looks awesome. I love it. All right. Got this like handy dandy cap right here so I can kind of mix it up before I put it on the cannon. I love that idea. And I'm using a different mitt for my wheels. This one's nice, soft, right? It's a dust mitt that I got from the dollar store. $1.50. All right, let's purge the system so we get all the air out. Now we're gonna go ahead and foam up the side of the car. And then we're gonna clean the wheels and the side of the car. So we're going to spray down the car. We're going to let it dwell for 3 to 5 minutes. Work on the wheels. Foams up real good. Sweet. We're going to leave some in the foam cannon so when we do the contact wash, I have some left over. Just want to show you what it's doing. The cleaning power. Look at that. Kidding me? Dragging it off, right? This is in front of the tire, so you can't say that the multi-purpose cleaner did a lot, but it did. I mean, they both did. Kind of flattens out, right? Sticking to the glass really well, too. See the dirt in there. Right. The wheels are nasty. All right. We'll dwell maybe 2 more minutes and we'll rinse it down. And this soap really is slick. I love it. It's awesome. The soap is slick. It just glides. Perfect. Just to get rid of the residual that's left. Turn it over. Use the other side. Sweet. It's awesome. Version 4 it is, 100%. I did have a little bit of version 5 in the bucket though, but chemistry is the same. I do like the smell of, I like the smell of both of them actually, but I like the blueberry because that's really the intent, is to make it more like a blueberry scent. But yeah, I mean, the soap is just, whew, sweet. Everyone's gonna like this. Cleans good, smells good, cost effective. No big name brands to worry about. I mean, there's a lot of history with this blender, a lot of American history. So if you're looking to support an American company, blends, packages, does everything internally, I'm working with them. And when the final version is ready for distribution, you will be able to get it through them, as this is a collaboration between them and us, and myself, I should say. But yeah, I think we made a winner for sure. And they have their own products that are very good. Very good. Yeah, it's awesome. I mean, it's so clean that I barely needed to rinse my mitt off. I mean, it's perfectly clean. I'm using the grit guard and everything. Just trying to remove whatever's there, but I don't really see anything. I don't have my ladder out, so I'm gonna do the roof the old-fashioned way. This is a great mitt. Doesn't really hang up on the badges either, which is nice. That was always a problem with the one I had before. It's nice. Soap works well, mitt works well. Car's clean. Version 4 did a great job, so no doubt about it. I'm liking version 4. I like the smell. Honestly, version 5 is not that bad either, but yeah, no, I'm liking this. All right, I'm gonna dry it off and use I use a rinseless wash to kind of like help lubricate the drying process. That's it. That's it for today.